So hi guys, I just did this video and I accidentally deleted it, so I have to do it again, but ain't no problem. So today I'm doing what I got for Christmas, and I couldn't do it the day after Christmas because on Christmas Day I had to stay with my cousin and I stayed with her again, and then yesterday I just came home, and it was dark and I was tired. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to the video of what I got for Christmas. So the first thing I got was this thing. It's this art set, and it came with this canvas, and it had like paint or pastel, color pencils, all that. And it also came with this thing right here, which I use as a tripod. So about that, I failed. But anyways, then I got Smurfs 1, and I got Smurfs 2, and I got Rio, the first Rio, and I got the second Rio. And then I had got some socks, all different kinds of colors. And I got from one of my aunties, I got these maroon things, and I like different lip balms. And then I got, and from that same auntie, I got a shirt from Kato's. It says hashtag no excuses, and it's like short in the front and long in the back. And she also got me some socks. Yeah, and then she got me this little thing right here. Came with some pink glitter. Then it came with this, and it came with 2 eyeliners. This little thing. Then it came also with a blue glitter, but I don't know where it went to. But oh, here it is. And yeah, that's what she got me. And she also got me this. And then from one of my yeah. And then from one of my aunties, I got this. Wait, no, from one of my aunties, not the auntie that I was just talking about. My other auntie got me this thing, and then she got me some perfume, and then my other auntie got me this. And then I got some, oh yeah, those movies were from my mom and the socks. And then I got these 3 perfumes that I picked out myself and went to shopping. And then I got some earbuds from one of my aunties. Then I got these 2 pillows from my mom and dad. And then I got this laptop as an early Christmas gift. It's a 14-inch. And then I got this from my mom. It's a deal on it, and it's like a chevron, and it's bright pink. Then I got this jewelry box from my dad. It has like a mirror on top of it. It's like that, and then it goes down to a drawer down here. So yeah, and then I got this body pillow, and it was so soft. This is actually the pillowcase, and I got this from my uncle, and he got me this pillowcase, and he got me, and this is originally how body pillow looked, and I just have a cover for it, so yeah. And it's like literally so soft. Okay, and then the last thing I got was from my mom, yeah, kind of like my mom and my dad. So I got this karaoke machine, and come with a microphone, and it's like that. Yeah, and it came with like a CD and stuff. So yeah, that's all I got for Christmas. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. make sure you subscribe. And yeah. So yeah, so I'll see you guys pretty soon with another video. So make sure you subscribe on the question of the day, and all my social medias be down in the description box. So make sure you go look at that. And yeah, in my last video, I think it was my last video about clothes and shoes haul. You can go watch that video to see what's in there. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe again. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.